Hi guys, I'm gonna be doing a tutorial around my house. So let's get started. Right here, this is a room. Um, this is my room, and I share with my little sister. She always wants to have everything. Her clothes is in here, and her shoes and everything. And this is my closet with my shirts up here, and all the rest of it. And on one side she has her dresses on the other side. And her toys are in here. That's not fair. And her little cookie. And her closet door. This is our bathroom that I've been doing my videos in. This is my dad's and my mom's room. We have two bathrooms. Our entering door. Our kitchen. Our table. Our garage. Our living room. And those are my freak bows of my brothers. And that's my freaky sister over there. And this is one of my little sisters that I did the video on. This is outside. So yeah, that's my backyard. The TV and the little bird. We're a little bird. You didn't really see enough of my mom's room. Her room. In her bathroom. So yeah, that was it for my video. Thank you. Bye.